All right, good morning. I'm gonna try to get the oil change here on RV and get ready. We're gonna try to head to Montana in the next couple of weeks for a few days and get this thing ready to go and hopefully it goes good. And this is the 7.3 gas motor in this. So, so yeah, I think that trip will be pretty good. Had a lot of fun, I think. So, probably lose all this here in a minute down the oil, but no big deal if I do. So yep, that wasn't bad. So I think they said this motor holds 8 quarts, I think. So not to find out. Boy, I want to get another pan. It's slowing down now. It was slowing down. Oh, if I can get over here, but I usually just try to poke a hole in these filters if I can. If the pan ain't in my way. All right, so I'm gonna let this drain for a few, and I'll be back. All right, I got squeezed back underneath here. Okay, that one's in. Filter. So, and I have not actually changed the oil on my green or my gray truck, my 2020. Actually, I had free oil changes, so I used all them up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start changing it now. And this one, of course, is under warranty, but I don't think I want jack with it. But you guys see me at the beginning, I took a hole. There's a hole poked in it right there. And when I take the plug out, let that drain, I'll punch a hole in this filter and let it drain too. And that way I ain't taking it off there and all that oil running down my arm. And oh, okay, I lied. There's still some in it. See, I didn't really work with the darn. Huh. Okay, man, I'm showing you what not to do. And I think Maverick's trying to stick it behind me. Oh. Hi, Maverick. Okay, yeah, that was pretty sad. I knew it was gonna do that. I put my rubber glove on. So yeah, the whole thing don't really work with the darn. But yeah, I've did it for a long time. I don't know what happened that time. Huh, thing is full. It's something clogging my hole up. I think it did. Yeah, I'm so glad they started putting the filters down here. I know they've been doing them for a long time, but man, them ones that's up in there, and you pull it and oil goes everywhere. Okay, let's go get some oil and put in this thing. Okay, let's figure out how to work this oil. Can't believe I bought oil in a laundry detergent box. So this is gonna be good, or this is gonna go bad. This is probably $60 wasted. Probably have it everywhere. Huh. Oil in a bag. I need to power test my finger. I stuck my hand down there and didn't feel nothing. Crooked or upside down? This is on sale. I'm gonna see if I like it. But I think I'm gonna run that in RV, the truck.
lower-age Hyundai, and I'm gonna put it in the Hustler lawnmower, and probably put it in the Polaris, and I'm gonna run it in the Honda four-wheeler. I'm tired of all this oil stuff. I got so many jugs of different types of oil. I think I'm gonna just put this in everything and be done with it. So see what you guys think about that, but I'm about over it. So that's my plan. I'm gonna put this in everything I got. But I don't know. I don't know how some of these people get paid, but you know, they ran this wire across here, and they didn't use that wire, which is fine. I do that too. Run an extra wire for whatever reason. But that's as far as they got with it. So I don't know why they don't put a piece of shrink tape or tape it up and tuck it away somewhere. But just another mess from underneath of this thing. But even this, I mean, I don't know. I mean, a few wire ties and a few seconds, they could have did something a little different other than running two on top of this wire and running one under. And they could have put it all nice and neat together in 30 seconds. It probably took them less time to make it neat than it would make that slop. But I don't know. It's just, it's all weird how people get big money for this stuff. And I don't know. That there ain't terrible compared to what was underneath of this thing. But this is pretty sad. So, all right, I'm going to put some oil in this thing. I think them dipsticks are getting longer. Okay, yeah, that was 5 quarts. So, all right, I'm going to go get a few more quarts. Yeah, it's actually kind of handy, I think. Kind of like it. I might change my mind here later, but I kind of like it right now. I'm going to see where we're at before I get too much in it. That should be about 7 quarts, maybe 6.5, 7 quarts, guessing. And it holds 8, so. Yeah, I think it just hit the dipstick. Not quite to the first hole, but I'm going to wipe it off and check it here again. Well, I'm going to put some more in this. Kind of weird because I've never really worked on a van before. And everything's kind of weird up here. I'm going to clean this up because I'm not sure what this wire goes to. They didn't have it hooked to nothing. It's like they run it to the negative, So I don't know if they decided they didn't need it or if that's an extra one, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and make it look a little better here. And surely that wasn't a hot wire, but all right, that looks a lot better. Only took a second to do, and if you already had all your stuff out doing it, it wouldn't take very long at all. I'm not sure what all this runs, or I know they put airbags on it and they put that Bigfoot leveling system on it. But these wrenches, I save all them Allen wrenches and these little cheap wrenches that come with that furniture you buy these days, put together yourself. I save all that, and they come in handy every once in a while, especially for stuff like this. Because I was a little closer than that, hitting that rubber. Okay, it didn't take a few seconds. See, now I'd put wrap all over that anyway before I did all that, but I still might take it apart and do it later. But, all right, let me go see if the oil is done and get this thing finished up. And if you guys watch this, let me know what you guys think of that, and how they had it, or what you would do, because I think what they did was pretty sad. All right, we'll fire this thing up and let it run for a minute and recheck it. All right, we'll let it sit there for a minute, check the oil one more time, and top it off if I need to, and be done. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and hope you liked, and hope to see you on the next one.